In this video, you are going to learn how to graph systems of inequalities. We recently graphed just one inequality. Now you're going to be able to graph two or more inequalities on the same coordinate plane. So here are your steps at the top. We are going to graph the first inequality in one color. It's going to be super helpful if you have two different colors. Graph one in one and one in the other. And the steps are right here in case you forget. So if it's in slope-intercept form, we're going to plot the y-intercept, use the slope to find two more lines, or two more points, connect points with a solid or dotted line, and then shade above or below the line. After you do that, you're just going to graph the second inequality in a different color. And then we're going to put an S in the overlap area to show the solution set, especially if you're using a pen or a pencil or a pen or a marker. You can't erase it, so the S is super helpful so that we know where the solution set is. So I'm going to graph the first inequality. I start with the B, which is 2. I use my slope of a half, so I rise 1, run 2, rise 1, run 2, go the other way. Since it's just a greater than symbol, it's just going to be a dashed line. And then because it's a greater than symbol also, that means it's above the line. So we'll notice our y numbers are greater above the line, so we're going above the line. I'm going to pick a different color for my second one. -5 is my y-intercept. Put a little dot there in green. My slope is -3. I will put a 1 underneath that so I know I go down 3 since it's negative. Right 1. I'm going to go up 3, left 1. Because it's equal to, it is a solid line. Because my symbol here is less than or equal to, it's going to be below the line, which would be the left side of the line, because the numbers below it are less than the numbers above it. The area where the two colors overlap, which is technically this area over here, and it goes on in infinity, or for infinity in this direction, but this is where my pink and my green overlap. That is the solution set. So I'm going to put a big S right here, since I can't erase the other colors. And that is all the solutions that make both inequalities true. Now if I just wanted to name one solution that falls in that area, because some assignments will ask for a solution name, I can pick, let's pick -5, 2. That point falls in the green and the red. Or the pink, sorry. I could pick another one, -9, 7, and so forth. Any point that falls in that area is a solution to both. Let's try another one. My first inequality I'm going to put in pink. Start with the y-intercept. My up and down line is my y. I go to -4. My slope is -1/5. Since it's negative, I'm going to go down 1, right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then just to make sure I'm consistent, I'm going to go up and left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Greater than or equal to means it's a solid line. Because this is greater than, it means above the line. So I'm just going to shade it above the line. Pick a different color to graph my second one. 1 is my y-intercept. 4/5, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 5 since it's positive. And then I'm just going to go down the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, because it's equal to, it's a solid line. Greater than means above, which is the top part of the line. I find the area where pink and green overlap, which is all this area up here. So this is my solution set, everything in this area. I pick any point that falls in that region. I'm just going to pick this guy up here, and it's easy to see. Over 3, up 8, so a solution is 3, 8. Again, there's infinite amount of solutions, so you can pick any one you want. Go ahead and try this one by yourself. You can pause the video. I'm going to quickly throw it on the grid, see if we get the same solution set. Okay, so you need to make sure that this line, your first one, which is in pink, is solid. And then below, because it's less than or equal to. My second one will be dotted, so my line in green will be dotted because there's no equal to symbol. And it's going to be below the line because it's less than. And then my solution set is all right in here. You have a big S right there. You could pick any point you want. I just picked 5, -5, because it falls in that overlap area. Let us know if you have any questions.